El Salvador video part 2. You guys should have already added your pictures. If you did not add your pictures, if you did not change them from the original ones on the template to your new ones on El Salvador, you are not ready for this video. Go back and look at video number 1. So for this video, you're going to learn how to change your brochure and add information about El Salvador. Like, why would people want to travel there? What if they don't know much about El Salvador? Fill them in. Let them know some information about your country. So what we're going to do is, of course, open up Dropbox again. You're going to find your brochure. Let me open it up. 8th grade travel brochures. And actually, before I even go there, let me show you these quick examples of some brochures. Here's Ajane's, okay? So she changed her template, and here's some of the stuff that's on there, okay? So she changed the picture, she changed the background, she changed it here, she changed it here. She added some information about the country, some important facts. It looks pretty good. She doesn't have a lot of information. Location. So that one doesn't have much info. Let's look at another one. Computer's slow. Let's look at Susie's. Okay, she added a border. Way more information, which is great because that's how you get your points. Hers is filled up. Food, things to do, lots of pictures. It looks pretty flashy. It's a nice brochure. Let's X her out. No. Next one. Let's look at a 4th grader's brochure. Theirs are a tad different. They're doing the same thing though. Okay, that's hers. All right, so let's go back to yours. Today, let's use Jamisha's as an example. Okay, so right here, this is where you're going to add the information. You should have your research paper that you typed up on Word back, and that's where all that information is going to go. Let me find your papers. Right here it says describe your country. In this paragraph, describe the country in general, tell about its history and its geography. So right here, if you click here, you can just erase all this. And I would add a lot of adjectives. Say, El Salvador is a beautiful, because it is beautiful, beautiful country located. Okay, and you would tell where it's located, which would be number 1 on your country scavenger hunt. Okay, so just add as much information as you can. Over here, climate and weather, you already went over that. You would add the climate here, the languages here, currency or the money used here, title of the national anthem. Right now, I would just X that out. You can write it if you want to. It's just called, you can add it if you want. Flag colors, population. You should have a picture of El Salvador's flag here. Right here, inspiring, breathtaking France. It's not France, it's El Salvador. And you can change that. Like up here, you can say, you can change it to anything. This is yours. Be creative. A trip to remember or something like that. Down here, here's a slogan. Every country has a slogan to attract tourists. In this section, insert a slogan or quote about your country. Just make something up. Okay? You can say something like, true travelers travel to Central America. I don't know, just make something up. If you don't know of a slogan, look online and find a slogan for El Salvador. The internet is such a great resource. There's no excuse for not having anything. Landmarks. What are some landmarks in your country? Your country is full of beautiful volcanoes and Great Lakes. Okay, so right here you would go ahead and you would write about your landmark. You can also put a picture up here of a landmark. And actually in your picture folders, and sometimes it does that, which I hate. I'm going to try to make the cursor blink in front of here to add the picture in front. There we go. But even in the pictures that I put in your picture folder, right here, Aztec Temple, that's a landmark. And then I think I named some. Santa Ana Volcano, Lake Lopongo, Izalco Volcano. So see how I added the picture there? And then I would just look online and tell a little bit of information about it.
Good morning, everyone.
Oh boy, let me cut this video.
We're having a special assembly
it is being cut off by the announcement. So make sure you put food here.
We have the presidential debate.
I wish I could turn my phone down, but I cannot. Let me turn it off.
God bless.
Oh boy. All right. Highlights of great cities. Talk about the capital, El Salvador, right here. Okay. Location again. What other countries border it? What bodies of water surround it? Put that there. Important events. Talk about carnivals or important Independence Day celebrations in those dates. This is yours to do whatever you want with it. The more information you have, the higher your grade. Once you're done and you add all your information, now you can jazz it up. And yes, I did say jazz it up. Page layout. Come to borders. Click on this. I like these artful borders down here. You can click on any border that you want. I like this one. Make sure it's box and whole document. Click OK. Okay? Sometimes with the borders, you may have to move your boxes over a little bit, though, to get them out the way. You could change the background also. But I'm going to end this video right now because I have to leave. If you have any questions, let me know.